All right, so right now, gold, what I'm trying to explain is people have to understand that market structure is pretty much the same pattern. So we have a lower low, lower high. When price makes this lower high, it's looking to make a lower low. So keep that in the back of your head. It's looking to make a lower low. So a stop here doesn't necessarily mean that the trend is not going to continue, but it definitely means that if price does break here, it's trying to go lower. So this is the lower low. All right. Also, with that being said, same way with price buying up. So if we have a high, higher low, this higher low is trying to push up and make a higher high. And people have to realize that this is all you need. Like this is everything you need. With this concept right here and this like mindset, it'll be pretty much easy. So from here, if we have price make a low, price make a lower high, we spot that price makes a lower high. When price is coming down, we know price is trying to make what? A lower low. And also as well, if price is ever selling, it's selling to the low. So if we have something like this, right? And then let's say price buys up and then it comes back down. The level that it's trying to sell to will be here because that is the lowest low of where buyers kicked in very strongly. So it's going to head to this level. So as you can see here, price ended up buying from here, coming to here, right? And then selling from here, then buyers pushed up price here. So when price is selling this time, so right here, when price is selling, it's looking to come here first. If it breaks that, that means that it's coming to the next level. So price is most likely going to come to this level. And then it's a rinse and repeat. And you just follow it all the way back down. So we'll remove all this. We only need this. And we look for this right here. So this will be the first move down. Then this will be the second move down. And it's always closed candles because closed candles tell you the actual um the actual closure or like the actual deal. That's how I think of it. Like when it's a closed deal. So closed candles like a closed deal. And you don't want to go off of a maybe deal. I feel like a wick is more of like maybe we want it to be down there, but a closed candle is more of like, all right, this is where it's at. This is what it is. So first you'll get that first push down here to that low, and then this low, and anything above here. So anything above this lower high will be considered bullish. Why? Because it's breaking above a lower high. And that means if put it this way, if this is a lower high and price breaks above it, then this high is not lower than this one. It's higher than this one. So that's a higher high. And you only have higher highs and higher lows in uptrends. Only in uptrends. You only see a higher high and a higher low in uptrends. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we have BTC still building those lower highs. So as you can see here, we already had price push up. Boom. We're gonna skip all this because we can do all that. Boom. Price ended up breaking lower, making a lower high, lower low, lower high. Now we're making a lower low. So it's kind of building down. It's pretty slow, but everything takes time. And then even looking at this time frame, the daily time frame, if price breaks below here, so where we got an alert at, right here. So right here, anything under 65K will most likely go back down to that 62K because this is a higher low. Currently, it's a higher low. So we have boom, lower high, then price failed to go lower. So now we have a higher low because this low is higher than this one over here. So we have a higher low, but price ended up making another lower low, lower high, and now it's trying to make another lower low. So we'll see what happens here. See if price either bounces off of here, creates an equal high. So two higher lows, which will consider price to being bullish, and then anything above here. So basically, let me re-explain. So if this is our higher low, it's higher than this previous low. So this was our first one. So this is number one. Oops, I didn't know it was going to be that big. This is number one. This is number two, right? Number two is bigger than number one. So then we focus on number two. So anything under number two would be bearish. Right here, we have a lower high, and then we have a lower high again. So we have number one, and then we have number two. Anything above number two would be considered bullish, right? So all you need is these two levels. Whichever way price is breaking out, whichever way price is going to go, it's going to be in that trend. So if price breaks to the downside, you'll see an indication, correction, and then price will continue. Vice versa, you'll see an indication, a higher high, a higher low, and then a push up higher. And that's pretty much it. And Nasdaq is pretty much doing the same thing as well. So you see Nasdaq with the same low. So